To log into Second Life, place your username and password in the appropriate areas and select Login. The first time you log in, you must agree to the terms of service of Second Life. Then select Continue. Your first login, Second Life will take you to a tutorial place. In this tutorial, you'll learn some of the basics. You'll see that people are gray, objects are gray. This is called resing. Second Life is resing. Once things res pretty much, I use my left-hand key to my left-hand arrow key to turn left and my upper key to move forward. If you need more assistance, this is telling you that you can teleport to this place for assistance. But if you use your right arrow key, you'll see that there are other options, and if you continue to use the right arrow key, you will find some tutorials. Like this sign here, we'll just keep moving to the right and another one will appear closer. It's telling you to use your arrow keys on your keyboard to move forward, backward. Right and left arrow keys turn you right and left. If you're a gamer, you can always use your game keys. What is that? A, W, S, and something else. Here the avatar is moving forward, following the arrows. All I did was close that option so I could see the full screen. In tutorial number 2, it tells me that I can zoom using the Alt plus clicking on my mouse key, and then use Escape to return to the default view. I hold my Alt key, click on my mouse, and now Escape. You can do this on the fish to the left. It's pretty cool. Follow the arrows. Can you tell I'm doing this without a script? Okay. Follow the arrows, and now this parrot will speak to you. You can see it speaking to you down in the corner. Then I select my chat, and I'm going to type hello, and then the parrot responds with hello, and I can read this option. So now I'm using my left arrow and my forward to go to the next tutorial area, which talks about sitting. Most of them say to right click and select sit here. That is a former use. Usually if you hover your mouse over, you get a little chair and you can just click and your avatar will sit. Here I'm using my Alt key and my mouse and just spinning around. That's how I turn that. Now I'm going to select stand, and I stand and follow the arrows into the next tutorial area. This is about flying. Flying is pretty simple. You select your page up and your avatar will jump up in the air, and if you're holding your page up, it stays there. I'm using an arrow key to fly forward, my down arrow key to fly towards me and away. I'm going to use the page up again until I hit the ceiling and I can fly no further. Now I'm using page down to go down and land. Pretty simple. Following the arrows again, I'm heading to the 6th and final tutorial area. This tells me that at the bottom of my screen I can select the destination option to choose a destination. However, being that I just want to test things out, I'm going to, let's select the destinations and then select it again. It disappears. Now I'm going to go ahead and step into this funny little area, and it teleports me into almost a game place, almost kind of a Mario type of a game thing, where I'm gonna have to select and find. I'm gonna have to find some colored crystals in this area, and you select them, and it's a little game thing. So if that's what you want to do, go for it, and then you can tell us about it in the discussion board. Have fun!